Hey everybody, quick video on a new mod 2008 Honda Element. I've got the corner markers working with the turn signals as well as with the parking lights. So they still work from the factory as normal. That's parking lights on. They glow just fine. And then with an extra relay under the hood, they get turn signals. And then also still have turn signals with the parking lights on. You'll notice they alternate when the parking light's on. There's some relay magic going on under the hood there. But it works great. Instructions in the description. Check it out below. Hope it works well for you.